Good evening. Today, I will talk about three important moral and life values found in the Ramayana. Although this epic was written a long time ago, its lessons still apply to our lives today. The story teaches us how our choices shapes our character and affect the people around us. The three values I will discuss are selflessness, humility, and choosing what is right even when it's difficult. I will explain how these values are shown in this story and why they are still important in today's world. The first value is selflessness, and it is best shown by Brahata. When King Dasharatha died, Brahata had the chance to become king. Many people could have accepted the throne because it meant power and honor. However, Brahata knew that Rama was the rightful king. Instead of keeping the kingdom for himself, he refused the throne and placed Rama's sandals on it as a symbol that Rama was still the true ruler. Brahata governed the kingdom only until Rama returned from exile. This part of the story teaches us that true leadership is not about personal gain. It is about doing what is right and putting others before yourself. In today's world, we often see people competing for success, recognition, or leadership positions. Brahata reminds us that a good leader is someone who is honest, fair, and willing to sacrifice personal interests for the good of others. As a future teachers, we should also put our students' learning before our own comfort or recognition. The second value is humility, which is clearly shown by Hanuman. Hanuman played a very important role in helping Rama rescue Sita. He crossed the ocean, found Sita in Lanka, delivered Rama's message, and even helping during the final battle. Despite all these great achievements, Hanuman never asked for rewards or recognition. He remained humble and continued serving Rama with loyalty and dedication. Hanuman teaches us that helping others should come from kindness, not from the desire for praise. Today, humility is still an important value. Sometimes people only help others if they receive something in return or if they can post it on social media. Hanuman reminds us that the best acts of kindness are those done sincerely in school, at work, or within our families. We should help others because it is the right thing to do, not because we expect attention or rewards. The third value is choosing what is right even when it is difficult, and this is shown by Vibhishana. Vibhishana was Ravana's younger brother. Unlike Ravana, he knew that kidnapping Sita was wrong. He advised Ravana to return Sita peacefully, but Ravana refused to listen. Instead of supporting his brother's wrong actions, Vibhishana chose to leave Lanka and join Rama's side because he believed justice was more important than family loyalty. This teaches us that doing the right thing is not always easy. Sometimes we must stand against people we care about if their actions are harmful or unjust. This lesson is still relevant today. Many people experience peer pressure or witness unfair treatment but stay silent because they are afraid of being rejected. Vibhishana reminds us that courage means standing for truth and justice, even when it is difficult or unpopular. In conclusion, the Ramayana is much more than an ancient story. It teaches timeless values that continue to guide people today. Brahata teaches us to be selfless. Hanuman reminds us to stay humble while serving others. Vibhishana shows us the importance of choosing what is right even when it requires courage and sacrifice. For me, these lessons are still meaningful because they encourage us to become better people in our families, school, workplace, and communities. The Ramayana reminds us that True greatness is not measured by power or success, but by our character and the choices we make every day.